Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down, and every single time the headlines go crazy. People get excited, people panic, but most of them have no idea what is actually happening. Blockchain, halving, ETFs, stablecoins. These words sound complicated. But don't worry, your brother Charlie is here to make it all make sense. Today I am going to break every single one of these terms down so simply that you could explain them to anyone. Let us start with the big one. Bitcoin. It is a digital currency. No bank controls it, no government controls it. It moves directly between people, peer-to-peer. And that is exactly what makes it exciting and exactly what makes it risky. When more people buy, the price goes up. When people start selling, the price comes down. There is no safety net. That is why understanding how Bitcoin works is so important before you do anything else. Now let us talk about the technology that makes Bitcoin possible. The blockchain. Think of it as a digital record book that exists across thousands of computers around the world simultaneously. Every single crypto transaction is written into this record book permanently. Nobody can erase it, nobody can alter it. The people who help keep this record book updated are called miners. They use powerful computers to verify transactions, and in return they earn Bitcoin as a reward. But here's the twist. Bitcoin has a hard limit. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. And roughly every 4 years, the reward that miners receive gets cut in half. This is called the halving. It is designed to keep Bitcoin scarce. And scarcity is what gives something value. The fewer Bitcoin that remain to be mined, the more valuable each one potentially becomes. This is the core idea behind Bitcoin. So how do you actually buy crypto? You use a crypto exchange. It is an online platform where you trade your regular money, like dollars or pounds, for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Think of it like an online brokerage, but for digital currencies. Most exchanges charge a small fee per transaction. And once you buy, where do you keep it? In a crypto wallet. There are two types. A hot wallet stays connected to the internet, giving you quick and easy access. A cold wallet is a physical device that stores your crypto completely offline, making it far more secure. If you are holding crypto for the long term, a cold wallet is the smarter choice. After Bitcoin, the second biggest name in crypto is Ethereum. It has its own blockchain and its own currency. But Ethereum is more than just a currency. It is a platform where other applications and digital assets are built on top of it. In 2022, Ethereum also switched to a much more energy-efficient system, which was a significant upgrade. Now let us talk about ETFs. If you want exposure to Bitcoin without actually buying it yourself, an ETF is your answer. It is a fund that holds Bitcoin on your behalf. You buy shares of that fund through the regular stock market. No crypto wallet needed, no exchange account needed. Simple and straightforward. You have probably also heard about meme coins. These are cryptocurrencies built around internet trends or jokes. Sometimes their prices explode overnight, but most of the time they are worthless, and some of them are outright scams where the creators hype the price and then disappear with the money. Stay far away from meme coins unless you fully understand what you are getting into. And finally, stablecoins. As the name suggests, these are designed to be more stable in value. They are usually tied to an existing currency like the US dollar, which means their price does not swing as wildly as Bitcoin does. This makes them popular for fast transactions, especially for sending money across borders quickly and cheaply. That is it. Bitcoin, blockchain, halving, exchanges, wallets, Ethereum, ETFs, meme coins, stablecoins. You now understand every word that used to sound confusing. The crypto world feels complex from the outside, but once you know the basics, everything becomes clear. Your brother Charlie is always here for you. See you in the next one.